This is a used 2014 Ford Mustang. It's powered by rear-wheel drive, a 3.7-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. With fewer than 30,000 miles, this vehicle has a long road ahead. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include a power convertible top, hill start assist, electric trunk, leather seats, heated seats, a home link system, Ford Sync voice activation, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, steering wheel controls. Safety was made a priority with these features: side airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Ray Seraphin Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 100 Windsor Avenue, Rockville, Connecticut 6066.